Here are the top 4 niches for you to get into for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing for Q4 of 2021. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books on Amazon, all in entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the top 4 niches, in my opinion, to get into for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing for Q4 of this year. And I know I'm posting this kind of early, but it's never too early to get ready for Q4. And in my opinion, August is the perfect time to start getting books ready for Q4 on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So without further ado, let's jump on my computer and go over these 4 niches. Okay, so niche number 1 is Christmas themed books, and this should be pretty obvious as Christmas is kind of the biggest holiday, especially in North America during Q4 or just during the entire year for that matter. But Christmas themed books have always killed it for me, and for people that I've known have gotten into it. Christmas themed books have just done super well. This niche you can definitely get into tons of different avenues. So there's different kinds of Christmas books you can make. You can do like Christmas edition, you can do like Christmas cookbooks, you can do Christmas books for adults, Christmas coloring books. There's tons of different things you get into for Christmas books. Let's go have a look at Amazon for an example. As you can see, if I type in Christmas, a good thing to do it and a good way to get ideas for books in a particular niche is to type in the niche and then press spacebar and see what pops up after it. And as you can see, we got Christmas activity book, Christmas coloring book, Christmas in July. I'm not sure, that's probably a book title. Christmas activity, Christmas cook. So if I go Christmas cookbook, like I said, you can press space, and I'm pretty sure I saw Christmas cooking for kids too there. But let's just type in Christmas cookbook and see what pops up. Too many results to get into for that, but it's just an example of a way of finding keywords within a niche that I might suggest in this video. So Christmas is definitely number 1 when it comes to Q4 niches to get into. Niche number 2 is kids game and puzzle books. So low content style books, word search books, fill in the blank books, coloring books for kids, or like joke books or entertainment style books. There's tons of different books that you can make for kids that are like gaming style puzzle books, because parents are buying presents for their kids. So this niche always kills it. It's very competitive, so you got to find kind of a sub niche when it comes to kids books if you want to do well in Q4 with this niche. But it is very popular, so there are tons of different niches and keywords you can get into for kids game and puzzle books. Just an example would be like if I look up kids activity books, let's just see what kinds of books pop up, and this way you could find different genres to get into. So you can see right here, ... that would be one you could search up and see what that's like. Human body, space activity books. So these kinds of books that you're seeing me roll through on screen, although you might think are kind of weird to make, they absolutely kill it in Q4. So it's definitely a good book, good niche to get into for Q4. And sorry about the lighting. The sun is just going in and out of clouds right now, so it might get super bright in here without me noticing, just so you guys know. Anyways, that's number 2, kids themed, not kids themed, but kids activity and gaming style books. And as you can see, we got super bright. But niche number 3 is the Halloween themed books, because Halloween is, in my opinion, the second best selling holiday or season, whatever you want to call it, during Q4. So if I go on Amazon and type in things for Halloween, there's tons of things like Halloween storybooks. That was another thing with Christmas I didn't mention, is you can make Christmas storybooks. So Halloween coloring book, notebook, activity book, maze book. So tons of different kinds of Halloween books you can make. I know that Halloween jokes are also a popular one as well. And you can definitely do well with that niche, or with that keyword. So again, come on Amazon, type in the season, whatever it is. In this instance, it could be Halloween. Press spacebar and see what is suggested. And you can see journal, word search for kids, joke, and just go further and further and see what keywords you can pick out of there and make books for. Finally, niche number 4 is Thanksgiving themed books. And in my opinion, this is the third kind of holiday style book that does well during Q4. So first is Christmas, then Halloween, and now Thanksgiving. And then kids theme books kind of work into all of these. You can make kids Thanksgiving books, kids Halloween books, kids Christmas books. They kind of fall into those niches, and you can even add in all three of them. So you can make kids Halloween game books or Christmas kids like puzzle books, so stuff like that. So just be creative with it and make series out of things. But Thanksgiving is another one. You can make Thanksgiving cookbooks, Thanksgiving theme books, Thanksgiving notebooks. I know there's tons of Thanksgiving coloring books. All those things do exponentially well in Q4. So those 4 niches are the most popular ones to get into. But I also have a bonus niche to go over with you guys because I know you're going to like this one as well. And it's a good one to start thinking about now, not making books about now, but once Q4 comes around, that's when I suggest getting into this one. And it is fitness and diet books. And they're best to start making during Q4. So while right now, August is a good time to start making those other ones, the Christmas, the Halloweens, the Thanksgivings, the kids books. Get those ready for Q4. Once Q4 comes around and those books are listed and you don't have anything to do, start creating these kinds of books and getting them ready for Q1, because people are going to be wanting to get fit. They start diets. That's what January is all about. So if you can get these books made and ready to go for Q1 while you're just waiting around during Q4, get them made, get them published, and get them ranking for Q1, you will do well, because this particular niche, fitness and diet style books or like cooking books, do very well in Q1. That's my bonus niche for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that niche as well. I think that's a good one. That's it for today's video though. It's just a quick one about those 4 different niches to get into for Q4, and then the bonus niche, which is the fitness and dieting one for Q1 coming in next year. Does insanely well during Q1. But anyways, guys, before I end off, make sure you join the community. It is my 100% free online community for you to get into that's all about self-publishing. If you join the Facebook group, which is first link in the description down below, you can get access to my 5-step guide that'll get you started with self-publishing. If you're interested and brand new to self-publishing, it'll get you interested in it and learning all about self-publishing. So again, if you want to join my free Facebook group, click the link down below and you'll be able to access that PDF download for yourself to get started with self-publishing for free. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed those 4 different niches and the bonus niche at the end. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Try to post new videos every single week. So anyways, guys, that's it for this one, and I'll see you in next week's video. Peace.